Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So guys, today our topic is how to make $1,000 per month online. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you can get the latest updates. So let's get started. There are many options for generating money online, whether you want to take a side job or dedicate the whole day to your new activity. You might think that it is impossible to make $1,000 per month online, but it is solely depends on the effort you put into your work. Just think of different ways of how to earn money uh, can change your life for the better. Have you found your inspiration behind making $1,000 in a month? It's time to take a look at the platforms that might be extremely helpful for you today. To start earning online, you will simply need to have a good internet connection and the odds free to do the job you choose. There are many types of tasks you will be able to choose from, whether you want to focus on investing your time and getting passive income later or prefer to have an everyday side job. It's not full-time employment. So, travel payouts is an affiliate network in the travel niche. With travel payouts, you will be able to earn on car rentals, hotels bookings, tour and excursions, insurances for tourists, transfer and taxi services, flight, bus, and train tickets, and many other travel products. To join the Travel Payout Affiliate Network, you will need to sign up on the website and place the affiliate tool on your blog or website to help your followers book flight tickets and other services with Travel Payouts partners. So it is pretty simple. Fiverr is one of the world's most popular marketplace for online services. As a freelancer, you find there are thousands of potential clients in different areas such as graphic design, digital marketing, programming and tech translation and writing videos and animation. So you can sell your services to them and earn a lot of money. So number three is daily reward. This platform allows you to make money through online surveys, watching shows, reading emails, and doing other simple tasks to help different companies around the globe conduct market research. Asia provides services in the field of internet marketing and promotion connection companies and influencers. It is a great option to generating additional income for people who want to work from home and have a profile on social media. With Airbnb, you will literally to able to make money online from home. This is the world's most popular platform for renting your space on short time basis. You have a two-bedroom apartment and you don't really need the second bedroom and don't mind seeing other people in your flat as well, then you can rent the second room for one day and as much time as you want. Normally, people who use Airbnb from 1 to 4 night stay and they prefer a cozy atmosphere of someone's flat to staying at a random hotel with an impressional approach. Upwork. Over the course of recent years, Upwork has become one of the most popular platform for freelancer jobs. It connects clients and contractors and companies with the law of countries it is present in. There are numerous categories of services that you can offer as a freelancer, such as writing, marketing, web design, and more. Stila Dot. Stila Dot is a brand of jewelry and accessories distributed with the help of the company assistant called stylists who sell the product in the person online on a website or a social network. Stila Dot stylists organized car trunk shows with. So guys, hope you will enjoy this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel so you can get the latest update. Thank you so much.